So guys, maraming nagtanong paano daw mag-live streaming. Turuan ko kayo. So first, you need Google Chrome, log in your Facebook, and then make sure naka-on yung desktop site nyo. So this one, make sure naka-on siya guys. Next, press nyo yung live streaming. Then, set up live video. Makikita nyo dito yung streaming key natin. Copy-paste it. And for advanced setting, andito naman yung stream URL. Now, go to HiRocket app and press live application. Then paste your streaming key and stream URL. Set up your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. After that, press start streaming. And now, go back to your Facebook and set up your post detail. Input your title and description. Then press save. If you did this correctly, both video source and post detail will be marked with a check. Finally, click go live button to start your live stream. And that's it. Ganun lang mag-live streaming guys. Very, very easy. So again, number 1, streaming key. Kailangan makuha mo. Number 2, yung URL. Then copy-paste it to the HiRocket app. Then, pwede na kayo mag-go live. Happy streaming everyone!